Last week, we made our way from Crater Lake to our first Airbnb home in Rockaway Beach. This week, we've checked out 100 miles of the Oregon coast from Otter Rock to Cannon Beach, Oregon. We visited oodles of beaches, went hiking in beautiful coastal state parks, took a socially distanced factory tour in Tillamook, sampled the local cuisine, and had lots of fun downtime in Rockaway. We're excited to share the journey, including the hidden gems we found along the way and our top 5 favorite Oregon beaches. So grab a cup of coffee and enjoy a tour of the Oregon coast. Hi, we're Jen and Guy. We've been doing a part-time international travel challenge for the last few years. Then COVID hit and Guy lost his job, so we rented out our house and hit the road with 2 dogs in tow. Follow us for fun adventures in the good old US of A. We started our journey 7 miles above Newport at Devil's Punchbowl, a cave that fills with water that you can safely see from above. The coast in Oregon is very windy, sometimes foggy, and other times sunny.
Think about the things we used to do. No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call?
Hey baby, where are we?
I have no idea. We're in
good.
Oregon at the beach.
So we found this little beach area. We have no idea how to say it or even how to spell it. Something with an N. But there are these cutest little cottages and stuff. And we found a path to the beach. The only bad thing is that everything was super sunny and beautiful when we were inland, and it is so gray. We went right into the fog. Here comes Guy and the crew. This is not the beachiest weather, but the people here don't seem to notice. We're getting another car picnic, huh?
Yeah.
And here's the seriously unhealthy food. So we're having lunch with the view, and we've got some serious stalkers behind us. We didn't even know till we turned on the camera.
They want our food too.
Okay, so here's the view. It's this pretty little park, and we just wanted to get away from the beach and the crazy fog. Bad thing about being a Californian is we have this little addiction to flip-flops, but the good thing about being a Californian is we carry earthquake shoes in our car, and I just remembered that I have these sitting in my car so we can go on the hike that my flip-flops weren't working for. And look at my cute little muffin in there. Who's the cutest girl?
Ready to go for a hike?
I want to go hiking. Starting off the hike with a major blonde moment. I told Guy I couldn't find my glasses.
And they were under her hat.
On my head. Somebody is super excited about the surf.
I am amazed at how good the surf is looking right now.
These cabins have that really gorgeous ocean view. It is so beautiful here with the way the fog is just kind of laying on the water. This is our first viewpoint, and we haven't really even gotten on the trail yet. I'm out of breath.
We're about 15 minutes into it.
And Guy's totally not out of breath. Cape Lookout State Park has 8 miles of hiking trails. The North Trail is a little over 4 miles and has dense, lush forest with multiple viewpoints and moderate elevation gain. It's so much fun.
Daisy's getting a little foot cleaning after the hike.
There are some seriously tired dogs here.
I'm tired too. We scored the most beautiful vantage point to see this view. We can't believe it.
Should I let them free or no?
No.
And there she goes. Here comes Guy. I'm going to be in trouble because I let these Muppets off the leash. Hey, 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 guys.
There's a guy surfing out there.
The water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
think I see the lighthouse up ahead. That thing is huge. Crazy.
Okay, we better go quick because I don't think we're supposed to be here.
Yeah. The view is just unbelievable. It's smaller than I thought it would be, but the light is just so big.
We're out driving right now and we just saw this crazy huge thing on the road. This is so cute here.
Yeah, the little town is really cute.
Are we in downtown Tillamook?
Yeah.
We're going to the Tillamook Creamery right now, and we're going to do a tour there, and we are lovers of tours, right?
So while you're inside, we ask that you wear your face mask at all times.
We made it inside. We're gonna start here.
Look at the big blocks. This is so cool. It's cutting the cheese. You look like you're in the market. That was so much fun. We're so glad we did it. Complete social distancing. It was totally cool. If you guys are up here in the Oregon coast, it was so worth going to the Tillamook factory tour.
Not sure what this area is called, but the view is just really gorgeous. You guys are going spearfishing? Awesome.
We're going for a morning beach walk. Rockaway Beach is a family favorite where visitors return year after year. We enjoyed morning walks with coffee on the almost deserted beach while the dogs ran free. It's so pretty, and while it gets a lot of visitors, you can easily find a quiet spot off on your own. So cute! Manzanita is a relaxed beach town off the beaten path without all the tourist traps, instead filled with charming boutiques and restaurants. The 7 miles of white sand beach and the overall town made this a favorite. One of the best not-so-secret hidden gems on the Oregon coast is Short Sand Beach, or Shorties. It's a favorite of surfers because it's in a cove that's protected from the heavy weather. Like us, there were a lot of people trying to figure out how to get there. There's an easy hike down to the beach, through the forest, crossing a fun swinging bridge in the process. It opens up to a picture-perfect beach with consistent waves and a waterfall that drops into the Pacific Ocean. What do you guys think? Is it everything you hoped it would be?
And more.
Last but not least on our top 5 must-visit beaches is the star of the Oregon coast. Cannon Beach and famous Haystack Rock are totally worth the visit. We're here buying firewood. Every time somebody gets out of the car, this is what happens, huh? Do you guys start freaking out? Do they weigh it or something?
But I'm gonna get this one.
All right, good plan.
Can't take it inside.
That was a big no-no.
Okay, I'll be back.
Okay.
Have our firewood.
Okay.
Fire.
We're wrapping up our time in Oregon. Tonight's the last night. We're doing it with a beautiful sunset and a fire.
Yeah.
On the beach.
Here's our fire. It's a nice fire.
We were really excited to have some friends that we have not seen in
20 years.
So long that we shouldn't even tell you because it makes us really old. But we went on a hike with them today, which was super fun. And it's just been such a relaxing time. We're really excited to spend another week in Oregon, and we'll see all different kinds of stuff, but this is just one of the most beautiful states.
And we love it.
Yeah, we do love it. It's been awesome. Goodbye, Rockaway Beach.